Hi and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can project your singing voice. Now, voice projection is something that's quite misunderstood by a lot of singers, some people who are complete beginners and some who have been singing for a while but haven't had any official training with a trained and qualified voice coach. Now, the problem with that is that you can cause all kinds of problems, some of which are permanent and can't be fixed. Now, before we dive in, do remember to hit the like button, hit the subscription button, and hit the notification bell so that you can get all of my future videos. I've got hundreds of videos on this channel and there is something for everyone. Now, if you are really serious about singing, I recommend that you take my free 5-day singing course, which you will find either in the description or in the pinned comments. So go ahead, click on the link there, pop your details in, and I'll send that directly to your inbox. So, vocal projection. What this means is that your voice carries further than it normally does. It doesn't mean that you sing louder. Singing louder is amplification, okay? We can do it, but it's not like we can't make our voices louder than they can possibly go, okay? We can only do that with a microphone or with amplification equipment, but we can project our voices so that they carry further. And there are a few ways of doing this. So in this video, I'm going to show you one of those ways. Now, this type of projection we use in pop singing, soul, jazz. Jazz doesn't have much projection, but when we do it's this type, it's just not as projected as in soul and R&B. So we use it in pop, soul, gospel for sure, R&B, and a little bit in jazz. This is going to create a nice round, boomy, full sound, a nice warm sound. It's not the harsh kind of falsetto projected sound that you hear in rock. We're going to do 2 exercises, and the first sound is yo. And we're gonna just say yo, 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 yo. So it's not yo, 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 yo. It's more of a say than a sing. It's like more yo, yo. Okay, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, and yo, 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 yo. 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 Keep going. Last one. Now, I should have said before that exercise that we're avoiding the head voice, we're avoiding the falsetto. So as we go up in pitch, you're going to avoid singing in head voice or falsetto so that you create that kind of boomy sound that projects, okay? And if you find it difficult to avoid the falsetto when you slip into it, you're going to find that your voice probably cracks and breaks. All that you do is just stop in that area and eventually you'll be able to build up so that you can sing higher in pitch without going into head voice or falsetto. Our next exercise uses the word yeah, yeah. And again, it's not really singing, it's more saying it. But we're going to do it on a slide so it sounds like this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And it's going to get loud, okay? So be prepared. If you've got any small animals or children in the room, you might want to move them because you don't want to give them a shock, okay? So here we go. 5, 6, 7, and yeah, yeah, yeah. going. Again, we're avoiding head voice and we're avoiding falsetto. Stop if your voice cracks or breaks. So it's going to get loud. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep going. And back down. Keep going. And relax. Now, the trick with these types of exercises, and certainly with projection, is not to start heavy. So if you start, yeah, 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 you're going to find when you get up to here, yeah, 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 you're going to find it quite difficult and strainy. So if you start nice and lightly, yeah, 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 rather than yeah, 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 you're going to find it much easier as you go up in pitch. So if you did find it difficult the first time round, I do encourage you to go back to the beginning of the video. You can just click the back arrow or the circle arrow when it comes up at the end. Go back to the beginning, start lighter, use less air as you go up in pitch, and you're going to find it's much easier. So I hope that this has helped you. Do remember to hit like, hit the subscription button and the notification bell, and share this with anyone that you think would benefit. Do take my free 5-day course that you'll find either in the pinned comment or the description. I'll see you in the next video. Stay hydrated. Ciao!